Hola, ¿qué tal? Welcome to Fanfa Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the expression I would like to, and then you put a verb. So, easy. This is just a perceptive structure verb. Do you remember a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, right? A mí me, a ti te. So, the same structure here. And the verb to say I would like to is actually pretty similar to a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, because instead of gusta, we're going to use gustaría. So it's exactly the same thing. A mí me gustaría, a mí me gustaría, and then you're going to put any verb in infinitive. Probar, a mí me gustaría salir, a mí me gustaría comer, a mí me gustaría viajar, a mí me gustaría ir al cine, and so on. So, I would like to, it's pretty much the same perceptive structure that we've been studying all this time. A mí me, a ti te, a ella, le, a nosotros, nos, and so on. And then here, for the verb, instead of gusta, we're going to use gustaría. Yeah. A mí me gustaría, and then we're going to put any verb in infinitive here. There is this version like I would love to. Instead of I would like to, we also have I would love to. Let's have a look at that one. I would love to. It's exactly the same thing. The only thing that changes is the verb. Encantaría. So a mí me encantaría, and then you put the verb afterwards in infinitive. A mí me encantaría ir a Japón. For instance, I would love to go to Japan. Um, a mí me encantaría aprender a bailar salsa. I would love to learn how to dance salsa. Yeah. So, compartir, nice verb. A mí me encantaría compartir mi comida. I would love to share my food. So, with this, you can say like I would love to. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Easy, right? A mí me gustaría, and then the verb. A mí me encantaría. I would love to, and then the verb, and that's it. And remember, if you want to use any other personal pronouns, feel free to do it. And you can also use it, for example, as a question like, would you love to do this? ¿A ti te encantaría viajar conmigo? Would you love to travel with me? O, or ¿a ti te gustaría? Would you like to? ¿A ti te gustaría acompañarme? Would you like to give me company or to come with me? Yeah, this kind of stuff. So, how do you practice this? Easy, very easy. Ask the questions. Would you like to do something? ¿A ti te gustaría ir al concierto? ¿A ti te gustaría ir a la playa? Or just ¿te gustaría comer conmigo? Would you like to eat with me? And that's it. Also, if somebody gives you an offer or asks you like, hey, what do you want to do? Right away tell the person, a mí me gustaría hacer esto, a mí me gustaría ir al teatro, a mí me gustaría, and tell the person all the things you would like to do, and also the things you would love to do. Yeah. That'll be it. I hope you use this a lot, you practice this a lot. It's pretty easy, to be honest. So you're gonna be fine. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.